Up to 90% of a child's brain develops by age 5. That's incredible. Ever wish you had more resources without crushing your budget? Meet OER, Open Educational Resources. These are free, flexible tools that spark children's creativity. Instead of photocopying the same worn-out worksheets, try interactive videos, printable alphabet cards, and playful math games. Picture students happily dancing to open license music or practicing letters with colorful slides, all under open licenses that let you tweak and share. No more paying for expensive curriculum updates. No more endless searches for quality materials. OER aligns with early learning standards, so you stay inspired and on track. Some teachers even swap farm animals for sea creatures in storybooks. The result? An underwater adventure kids adore. Concerned about copyright? Creative Commons and the Teach Act have your back. You can adapt resources, credit the author, and share safely. Imagine having a personalized library at your fingertips, free and always growing. Ready to explore? Head to our blog for easy guides, handy links, and fresh ideas. https://CurioKidsCentral.com. Unlock OER power. Join the OER movement. Let's give our youngest learners the best start possible. Because with OER, every child's curiosity can truly shine.